Hi everyone, so today we are going to talk about how to use magical eyebrow brush from Gleva. This brush comes with soft bristles and body is made up of thick aluminium tube. The angular shape of this brush will give you very natural looking eyebrows. Whether you prefer gel or powder eyebrow fillers, the result is very natural. I'm going to fill left eyebrow with gel eyebrow filler. Make sure take less product, do not take too much of product, and simply goes downwards to upward direction with very light hand and give nice shape to your eyebrows, and you are done. I am following the same steps with my right eyebrow with powder eyebrow fillers. There is no need of blending separately. This brush applies and blends the product at the same time. Here you guys can see how perfect my eyebrows are looking. Now I hope I'm clear. If you have any doubts, comment box is open for you guys.